What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This video we're going to be taking a look at a dash cam from Nexar, and this is kind of their low-end model, but go check out their website. They have several other models that even have 2 different cameras in them, so definitely one of the top-of-the-line dash cams if you're looking to cover your CYA basically when you're driving. And a lot of people have decided, you know, there's a lot of cons, a lot of different things going on to protect yourself, especially if you're going on an extended trip where you'll be driving a lot of miles. It's good to have a dash cam that's recording not only traffic, but if you get pulled over by the police, you know, a lot of people now are recording those incidents and they wind up on YouTube and other places on the internet. Trying to show their interactions with the police and rooting out the dirty cops, which I'm all for. Anyway, this here is the Nexar Beam. It is their most popular camera or dash cam that they have to date. Now, it is full HD, and it can do up to, well, starting at 32 gig card up to 256 gig card. So you can store a lot of data on here. And some people are going to like that because it has a parking mode. So not only does this protect you while you're driving, but it also protects your vehicle when you're not in it. So that basically gives you peace of mind to know that if somebody screws around with your car, bumps it, backs into it, hit and run, you know, when you're in a parking lot or something like that, it is going to record. So that is really good. And being a full HD, it's going to be 1080p resolution, and you'll see some of the footage that you will see here in a minute. Also, this has Wi-Fi, so you can download an app, actually see on your phone, and actually stream. So you can see there's no screen. There's a lot of those dash cams out there have like a screen on the back. This does not. This conceals because it's got a small footprint. I've already got a micro SD card in there. And bad thing is it's like mini USB. And their updated model might have C. I don't know. But this one here actually has mini. Not micro. Mini USB. And again, you can do remote video streaming with this guy, right? If you have a good enough connection, you can, you know, it's hooked up to your phone, so it's got internet because it's got Wi-Fi. You can actually stream to like family or friends or whatever what you're seeing live. Isn't that awesome? That's a pretty cool little feature. So what we're going to do here, let's just take a look. There's not too much on the box here. As you can see here, it just says Nexar. Doesn't even really say a model on this one, but again, this is the Beam, and then here's your model number. Made in China, just heads up. So then you get a little envelope with 1, 2, 3, so basically it's get ready to drive, fine tuning, and everything else. And you know, welcomes you to the family. You also get these little stickers, so basically you can put this on your windshield or your car and say, look, this vehicle is protected by a Nexar dash cam. So it does say it's recording. You also get fairly long, again, this is a USB-A to mini USB, right? Not a micro. I don't know if it'll focus real well on that, but you can see that is one of those older style minis. You also get a 2 USB outlet for your power port, and you get a little suction cup with a cord attached, and again, mini. And basically, you know, it says for GPS, and you can tuck this away like behind your rear view mirror, so you don't even see it in your vision, which is really cool. They get you a little pry bar. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to use this if you want to hide this cord up like around your windshield or whatever. This can pry up the cover and actually tuck your cord up there. And they actually give you some little 3M adhesive mounts that you can actually do some cord management with. And then finally, and lastly but not least, the actual dash cam itself. As you can see here, it's just got basically a SD card slot, power button, mount place for that, and then the cord itself. So that'll provide the power to this guy. And it has a reset light, And that's really it. So you'll connect this and you'll really control it with your phone and the app, which I'm a fan of because too many times these dash cams, they've got this little tiny screen and you're trying to program everything on the screen. You can't see it sometimes, especially if it's sunny out. So that eliminates that. I love to have this, set it, forget it, and know that it's recording, and you can live stream it, which is a feature I think is phenomenal for a dash cam, and just share. So anyway, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to hook this up. I'm going to install it in the car, and then I'll give you guys some live footage so you can see what to expect. And again, check out Nexar's website. It's like getnexar.com. I'll have it in the show notes. And you can look at their other models. Again, this is their low-end, most popular one. And so, you know, they've got, like I said, many different kinds to go up to higher end, like 4K. If you want 4K video and multiple cameras where you can do a cabin cam and a dash cam where you're looking in and out, then they've got it. And you get basically the same features and more that I've already mentioned for this. So anyway, guys, we'll be right back with some live footage. I'm going to try to get some day and night footage in here so you can see what it has to offer for both day and night. I'm going to try to get some sun coming into it. So everything you're going to see here is like a standard like testing for a dash cam, which I've done some reviews before. I want to try to get like the direct sunlight and see how it does take that bright light shining at it, because it just completely blows up the picture. And if you're driving into the sun, you want that protection, either if you're going east or western, sunrise, sunset, when on your commute, you want your dash cam to be able to handle that because you don't want blind spots with your dash cam. So we'll cover all that. So you're going to see some good footage, hopefully, that I'm going to throw in here and just put a little text like what it is and what I'm trying to simulate, and see if it crosses checks off all the check marks and everything, and we go from there. We'll be right back, guys.